Kani gade ka Bathymmai TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni.
Kajing Jied yo Presiden Bathymmai jong kari India. Kebalalong henin kasni ka khatnyo trik unai tung. Keba kajing kon kelalong hapedeng ki arngut ki kertong kata hapedeng uram Ngut govern. Ukertong jong ko sarkar pedeng kebalai lam da National Democratic Alliance ne ke NDA kebalai lam da seng BJP. Pat Kamira Kumar kebadai ke kertong jong kaliang persya ha parliament ke United Progressive Alliance ne ke UPA kebalalam kemat da seng Congress. Hakani ke jela kajing Jied kelalong hasilong kebala sedang nadu kapor sipo bejem step kumalabu por da Election Commission of India. Bat ke kotno hakapor san bejejen mien. Hakani ke singita buat ban Jied yo Presiden Bathymmai jong kari India kebalalong ha annex hall jong ka assembly building ke basipor harilbong nakin repongot ki MLA sanpo arngot kilawan ban tap vote kibala pem tap vote ki kintop yo wayu menteri sarkar u Martin M Dango nang tau MLA Shimet na Kriat constituency u ba Justin Dhar u MLA Kamau Hati u ba Julius Dorpang u badan mentah patong wayu MLA na UDP u ba Brolding Nongse bat sangot ki weipat ki de ki MLA jong ka HSPDP kibala rai ban omisi mentah hakini ki election namar ka jingsng persya jori ya ka jing pet chiliang khmat jong govern ikiret pa ba kajing persya iko Congress kaba omsyam lala banwan ra ya kajing sensar kaba pakai kari daki post nam lantar menta ya ki vote jong kani ke election Jied president anyo la syai kasni ka arpo trek unai tong habakran sekilat pathai kubor hadin kajing tabon menteri rangba kejelau Dr. Mukul Sangmau la penpau baudan kajingen ke baskem ba ki MLA ki baran hapo ksatri jong ka MUA2 kila ai kajing kersan ke bapura yo kertong jong ka UPA kumbala ekren haswa kisngi jong kani ke election.
What is important is that the decision of each member of the electoral college in favor of any one of the two candidates will indicate the endorsement of the agendas of the two groups. Therefore, we look at the whole decision from this perspective as a responsible leader, keeping in mind what's happening in the country and the foreseeable challenges thereof, given the kind of agendas which is being pursued by NDA government, given the kind of concern being expressed by all across the nation, across the globe about what is happening here in this country, precisely because of the agenda of the NDA government, the agenda which is actually the agenda of RSS which is being driven by NDA. Therefore, any decision of the member of the electoral college while voting will only obviously be an endorsement of the agenda of the NDA, the RSS. Therefore, it will be quite interesting from Meghalaya's perspective as to how our other members belonging to UDP and other regional parties, decide. So it will give a clear message. I have been always saying that okay, BJP per se as a political party looks at Meghalaya as one of the states which they should obviously take away from the Congress. And even in the past, what has happened is that BJP has been actually trying to make inroads into the state by piggy riding on the regional parties. Now, how the regional parties become a partner of these BJPs will be quite interesting to watch for the people of the state. And this is one occasion where people will be able to actually substantiate what we are saying. And these agendas are actually the old agendas of RSS, the old agendas of RSS which existed, which they wanted to pursue aggressively even before independence, post-independence, culminating into the assassination of Gandhiji. So, you have to look at now the present political situation where slowly, the whole agenda of RSS is being actually implemented by political parties. And partnering with them will only reinforce their thinking that this country can be actually then driven with their agenda. And that is the threat for us.
Menteri Rangba Kejelau Dr. Mukul Sangma henin kasngi ula penram jori ka sarkar NDA kebalai lam na kaseng BJP halor kejing lam jongka yakari barokawe katkom kijing temu berkimat rekam jong kaseng Rashtriya Swayam Sevak Sangh ne ka RSS habakrana kilat pathai kubor hadin bola pendap jaga jing tep vote na kebenta ban Jied yo Presiden Bathymmai jong kari Menteri Rang Ba Ulong kai kebalaja hakari hi brokaway na kajingmi kajing affair jingmon bat kajing klumar kadai na kimat rekam jong ka RSS kebala penya dak sarkar NDA nalor kata Ulong ru baka BJP menta kepersang menyelam bakla bat ban penbiet jiki seng riulom jong kani kejela kanang bakan yo ban kene ya Meghalaya nakakti jong ka seng Congress.
The Delhi government, the NDA government is not pursuing the agenda of a political party. NDA government is pursuing aggressively the agenda of RSS. Now, therefore, it is a responsibility of the citizens and the society as a whole to understand their hidden agenda. What is the hidden agenda? What is the agenda of RSS? Is the agenda of RSS acceptable to all? It's as simple as that. So, therefore, it is a question of sensitizing people about the agenda of RSS, which is the ultimate objective and the only goal that they want to achieve by being in power. I have repeatedly spoken about this. The same thing is being spoken about by all the leaders across the nation who cares for the unity and integrity of this great nation. But these people have some different agenda. They are not bothered. Because their agenda is something else. Therefore, it is somehow giving us a reason to believe beyond reasonable doubt that RSS is the main force behind your BJP. The whole your so-called workforce at the grassroots are the RSS. And therefore, Modi ji is bound to actually go by the dictates of RSS, and that is exactly what is happening. Otherwise, why will you have one act which is to prevent the cruelty to animal? Cruelty to animal, how has it got it linked to sale of cattle market? How do you corroborate the location of the market? This all apparently there's some kind of situation where all these, I will call them, it's a non-government actor. RSS, because constitutionally they are not mandated to drive their agenda. But from the back door, they are pulling the strings. So it's completely unconstitutional. Putting their agenda even into framing the rules, that means there are some extraneous forces who are working, taking control of the various authorities in different ministries. That is how I will interpret.